Yeah. First team, bitch. Stop. Hoodie time. Bitches bow down, don't even know me. Tell me I'm a dog like Odie. And I only fuck with crazy girls, think I'm home like I'm Brody. Made her come trice like Obi. Damn, so I don't shop at Alexander McQueen. Why? I don't even know what that mean. Tryna live life on an everyday scheme. The minute you met me was kind of a wet dream. Well, we don't got that in common. These bitches want the action, Bronson. I give a little Magic Johnson, then she wanna hold my wine like Emma Watson. Oh, they mad cause I got flow, and these other rappers cheesy like a nacho. So my pockets getting bigger like Lovato, but you ain't got no fucking hoodie in your Serato. Talk to me, tell me your name. You want my life, I want the same. You say that it's meant to be, meant to be. You ain't no celebrity, so stop. Cause fame is for assholes. Hold up, stop, came in with a mission. Didn't pick me first like I'm Griffin, but I don't give a fuck, no luck. I got 20/20 vision, I can see like everything you're missing. Got a bad bitch, she my cash cow, she my cash cow. I'ma make $1 million or have a pass out. Pass blunts, babe, I can get you Emma Stone, and I'll never leave my bed alone. Tryna tell my future like Cleo, tell me I'm the one, treat the kid like a Neo. Damn, 1,000 white bitches in the club, that's a kilo. Let me spill this cash like the Rio Grande. I'm all about the ass and bush, that's why they looking at me like I'm ass and kush. I'm a bastard, look, I'm a fashion crook, so let me take your clothes off, bang. Talk to me, tell me your name. You want my life, I want the same. You say that it's meant to be, meant to be. You ain't no celebrity, so stop, cause fame is for assholes.